Okay, video today, Mazda 5 rear sway bar end links. These are what I'm gonna be putting in today. The car's got about 125,000 miles, so I'm gonna be doing some maintenance and I'm gonna change these out. Oops. Let's put this back on there. It's supposed to go back on here. Okay, so if you look under the car, you got one here, one here. I think the way I'm gonna do this is unbolt this one, and then do the top bolts on both sides, and then the sway bar should come down. So I think that's the plan of taking these out. So let's see. So from here, the nut there is a 14. Okay. And this middle part is going to keep spinning, so you got to put an Allen key inside so that, so you can get it off there. So take this off. Okay, there goes that. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Why? Oh, okay. And then we're gonna do the tops here. So there's a bolt, there's a nut up here, and then one on the other side. So we'll start to take that out. And it's also a 14 millimeter. Okay. So same thing as the bottom. It's the Allen key at the top. You gotta put one in the middle so it doesn't spin. Okay. There we go. Take that out. Tuck these away. The nuts. Okay. Now see, you notice that it won't come out yet. It's because we gotta take out the other side. So let's go ahead and do that. Same process on the other side. There we go. Okay. Now from here, you should be able to pull them out. There goes one. And number two. Okay, let's get the old ones compared to the new ones. So these are the ones that we just took off here. So you notice, completely, I don't even think it's supposed to do that easily. But I don't hear a little bit of movement. But I mean, it's done pretty well. 128,000 miles. These are probably the original, I'm sure. Because I'm the second owner, and when I bought it, everything was, I bought it with 30,000 miles, so I'm pretty sure it's the original. These are aftermarket, they're not OEM. I wish I can go OEM, but you know, OEM's expensive, and sometimes you ain't got the money for it, so you do what you can. So yeah, this is not even moving at all. Yeah, there's a little bit moving here. Okay, but there's no play. Yeah, these are solid, but this, I don't know. But let's put the new ones in. All right, let's go ahead and try to get the first one in. Take these nuts off. These nuts are a little bit bigger. I think they're 17 millimeters. And what's cool about these nuts is they have a little plastic ring in there to keep it locked. So you don't have to use any thread locker, because these nuts already have a little locker in it. So let's go ahead and get it in there. Position the bottom one. Let it out. Okay, that's in there. I can't see. nuts on there temporarily because we got to do the other side. So let's get that other side on. Okay, let's get the other side. Get in there. Okay. Go ahead and put the nut on top, on the side, and we will torque these down to spec. Okay. Let's tighten these up. They are 44 pounds on all 4 nuts. So let's just get these into position. Again up top, the nut on top. Okay, now let's torque all these nuts down. 44 pounds on all 4. Okay, 44 pounds. Top. Okay, and then the other side. Okay, top. Okay, that's it there. Oh, whoop. Ah! To the back. Down. It's coming for you. It's coming for you. She's scared. Alright. So, this is what it looks like here. This is the finished product. Easy install. It wasn't too hard. Just make sure you know you got your stuff all jacked up. You're all safe while you're working under here. But yeah, it looks good. I will be taking it for a test drive in a bit. There's some other things that I want to do with the Mazda. For example, I got these. I guess they call it the dog bone, but it's called a rear lateral link. These I would like to replace because the bushings on the inside here, they are deteriorating. Again, I said that this car has 125,000 miles, 120,000 miles, somewhere around there. So, but you can't tell from here, but I'm gonna take it out and we can take a look at it. So that, and then also the front stabilizer bar I need to replace, as well as the outer tie rods. The boots are starting to rip, so I think it's time to replace those. So, but yep, that's the end of this video. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully it helped you, or if it helped somebody else, please like, subscribe, and comment. So yeah, catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.